Happy New Year greetings to all our subscribers. Happy 2025. This is the year we've been expecting to come, and it is now here. It is a year of a super bull market. But first and first, I must really appreciate you guys. And I am here because you guys are here. The opportunity you guys are giving to me to serve can never be neglected, and I will not throw that down. One thing very important here is if you look at this very channel, it has grown over time. And that growth was as a result of your subscription, you are liking the video, you are leaving a comment in the comment section, and also sharing the video on this very channel. I really want to appreciate that concern and the growth that we've achieved this very period, especially last year, 2024. In 2024, we moved a little bit to 35.5k subscribers, as you can see right here, with 693 videos on the channel. But in 2024 alone, we created 250 videos and above. And what that also translates to is 250 thumbnails. If you are a content creator in any other niche, you can agree with me that creating content like this is not easy, not at all. And also, when you create content, you have to go through the rigorous process of editing, rendering, and not only that, you create thumbnails. After the creation of thumbnail and the video, you need to upload to YouTube, and this process is not easy. But one thing keep me going, that is the number one, and that very desire to serve you is the number one thing that keep me going, especially delivering financial information about the crypto market, which have helped my life over time. Crypto is the number one thing that has helped my life and changed my life drastically over the years. And I believe it has changed a lot of person's life. And if you've not benefited from crypto yet, I also believe this very year can be a point of turnaround. So I really appreciate you guys, the commitment, especially if I just drop a video almost immediately, there will be a like right there, and there will be comment, and also subscription and sharing the video with your friends, your community, and all of those stuff. Somebody chatted me up and said, Mr. Paradise, can I share your video with my community? I said, that's very okay, that's free. You can share my videos, okay? There is no privacy, there is no copyright that is on any of my videos. It's absolutely free. You can share it anywhere, anytime. And that is how I want it to be. It should be a free content. So I really appreciate you guys. 2024 was very great because of you, because of your support, because of your enthusiasm that you gave to me. And that support can never be neglected. I really appreciate it. And I believe strongly that 2025 will be a great year. I call it the super bull market year. It's a year that, with what we've seen on chain plus technical data, I believe 2025 is going to be a year of turnaround for all of us that is in crypto. And if you are wondering, I've not experienced bull market before, how does it look like? Don't worry. This very year, by the grace of God, I believe this bull market is going to super bullish, and you're going to experience it yourself. All you need to do is to strategically position yourself and buy tokens that are very valuable. You can also buy meme coins that have significant market capitalization. Not only that, you buy meme coin that are already on major exchanges, and you can also go ahead and take some little risks and buy meme coin that are yet to enter major exchanges, and know that that risk can also go south. However, the most important thing is that this very year 2025 is an amazing year for all of us. So be strategic in your investing. And also, when the bull market comes in, you're going to notice that as money begins to flow into Bitcoin, then from altcoin into large cap altcoins, market is going to be changing dynamics, and you need to understand how to do some permutation, moving your money from this very coin to this very one, and all of those stuff. I will talk about that very, very early this month, so that you know how to do this permutation in strategic investing and all of those stuff. So thank you very much. I really, really appreciate you guys. The support is enormous. The support is great. The support is massive. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate. Thank you so much. And I believe this very channel is going to grow more than 60 to 70,000 subscribers. That is the goal for 2025. 60 to 70,000 subscribers. We are not looking at nothing less than 60,000 subscribers in 2025. Anything less than that is not acceptable. So if they've not subscribed, please consider subscribing right now. Like the video on the channel, and also turn on the bell notification so that you receive updates anytime I upload new videos. Leave a comment in the comment section, and also share the video. All these things help the YouTube algorithm to push the video to so many persons, and I really appreciate that. Okay, so this is very, very important. And if you're also new to this very channel, my name is Paradise, and I have been talking about crypto for so many years, educating people on how to trade crypto and gain financial freedom with this very new space. So this is very important, guys. Thank you very much for all you've been doing on this very channel. Now, one thing very important is we are already in the year 2025, and this year 2025, I come up with a lot of stuff that we are going to be discussing on the channel. So if you notice, before now, we've not been discussing airdrop that much, but I included airdrop in my videos recently. That was about 3 months ago, and is doing very well. So I want to include meme tokens very well this very year. So we'll be talking about more on technical analysis and how to invest and trade. The second thing we'll be talking about is airdrops, and I'm going to introduce meme token trading, how to trade meme very well, okay, and plus other things that I have in the 2025 plan. So 4 things that is very important right now. So this is the plan for this very year, and like I said earlier, the goal is for us to hit a 60k subscriber in 2025, and that very goal can be achieved with you and with your great support. So consider supporting the channel by sharing the video and all of that. So this is very important, guys. One thing I want to also share with you today is the super bull market that is coming in 2025 that we are already in. We know Donald Trump, which is the president-elect, is going to take office on the 20th of this very month, January 2025. And if you look at this price chart, is what you must have to focus on and use if you really want to know when that amazing strategic all-time pump is going to come into the market. And I've talked about this before in one of my videos, but I'm going to take time to explain this in the future video to come. However, right now, what you need to pay attention to is this very BTC dominance chart. I am on the 1-day chart on the Bitcoin dominance right here. And if you look at it, this is BTC.D, and I'm on the 1-month chart. From this very point, market move all the way upward. When market is moving upward on the Bitcoin dominant chart, it means that we are in the bear market. So the bear market is already over around this very area. And right now, what we're expecting is for the market to come back down. So when the Bitcoin dominant chart comes back down, it means that we are in the bull market. That means money is flowing from Bitcoin into other altcoins. And that is what we'll begin to see any moment soon. This very month, in latest February this very year, that is next month. And this is what I'm personally expecting. So what you should expect, okay, very, very simple. To know when that aggressive pump is going to come into the market is when this chart goes down and cross the 55% level around this area. Once we see this market go down with a bearish candle, significant one, and go below the 55% level, right now is at 58.09%. That means money have started flowing from Bitcoin into altcoin like Ethereum, Solana, BNB, and then market will begin to pump aggressively to the upside. What that means is you don't need to wait for that very moment to come. The best time to start investing is right now. And remember, Crypto 101, invest what you can afford to lose. That is very, very important. And also, if you pay attention to this, once markets cross below the 55% level, then altcoins, that is the large cap altcoins, are going to begin to pump all the way to the upside. I'm talking about Ethereum, Solana, BNB, and the likes. And if markets go down, which it must do in the bull market, to the 45% level, then look at mid-cap altcoins to begin to pump. Money is going to flow into mid-cap altcoins, and afterward, money is going to flow into little micro cap altcoins when we see the market drop to 40% level. Okay, this is very important, and this is what you need to pay attention to. And in my next video, few days from now, I'm going to explain deeply what you need to pay attention to actually take advantage of this very super bull market. A lot of things has happened in the crypto space, as you all know, ranging from the spot Bitcoin ETF approval, Ethereum spot ETF approval. All of these is a major tool that is going to skyrocket this very bull market all the way to the upside. So don't miss the bull market for any reason. Okay, invest what you can afford to lose, but the thing is, don't miss it for any reason. Ensure you invest. And I believe that this very bull market in 2025 is going to be super compared to other bull markets that we've seen in the past. So anything that you want to do to support the channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, sharing the video, please do it. The target this very year is 60 to 70k subscribers, and the tons of videos that will be coming out on this very channel will be one video every day at least, except Sunday in most cases. And we are looking at a lot of many things that will make the video very amazing, educative, and more interesting. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video. Subscribe right now if you've not subscribed, and also turn on the bell notification so that you receive more updates like this when I upload new videos. Happy New Year once again. It's a prosperous year. Welcome to 2025, and I believe the blessing of the Lord and our Savior Jesus Christ be upon us all. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate your support. Thank you guys. Bye bye, and I will see you in the next video.